So in lecture 5, we are having one more composite rod system like this. These both rods are having alpha 1, alpha 1. This is having alpha 2. Alpha 1 rod has Young's modulus y1. This also having Young's modulus y1. This is having Young's modulus y2. This is the length L and it was at initial temperature T. Now see, if alpha 2 greater than alpha 1 and T is changed to T plus delta T, then show that final length is this much. So this is what they are asking us to show actually. Right? Okay, alpha 2 greater than alpha 1 means what? This rod will expand more than these both rods. Now see, this second rod is going to expand this much, whereas the first rod can expand only this much, this white line. But see, this rod alone expanding this much, this both rods expanding alone this much is impossible. Practically it's not possible. Otherwise there is going to be having some intermediate distance. So this rod will go up to here, this rod will come up to here. Right? Now this will be the final position. Yeah. So this final position we take it as what? X. Okay? And this is going to be your delta L1 and the expansion up to here is going to be taken as delta L2 and this will be your final length up to here. This is what your final length of the system LF. Okay? So let's start how to solve this problem. First of all, what we do, let us find out strain 1. What is your strain 1 comes out to be? Strain 1 is nothing but delta L by L1. L1 is nothing but L only initially, right? So no problem. Delta L. How much length you restricted? Actually from expansion, how much length you restricted? Actually this is what delta L1, but this gone up to here, no? This much was increased. Or how much you can't stop, also you should take. Actually delta L is nothing but how much you restricted you can take, or how much you can't restrict also you can take. So this much I not restricted, actually this is what delta L1. So this much further expanded. So this is the, which is the part which I am not restricting. Okay. So that means what is that? This length comes out to be, this is x, this is delta L1, so this one comes out to be x minus delta L1 by L. This is what your strain 1 comes out to be, right? And if we go for strain 2, this much it is going to expand, but I am allowing to expand only x. That means this much I restricted. Restricted is how much now? 1, you should take either restricted part or can't restricted part. Okay, so 2 I am saying. So here I am going to take the restricted part because this is the part what I am going to restrict. So this one can be taken as delta L2 minus x. So this is what your strain 1 and strain 2. Okay, now next what you should do here, let's make a note of it. So when this is going to be in equilibrium, under equilibrium condition what happens? On this, the force will be like this, and on this both, the force will be like this. So this is 2, this is 1, this is 1. Okay, this rod, in the rod may force it be, because these both rods are pulling this rod like this now, but I should take only the internal force. The ullukulla force, right? In the rods, இப்படி இழுக்கப்படும் ஆனா இதுக்குள்ள இருக்கிற force இப்படி இருக்கும், right? So this both are F1, this is F2. So on second rod, F2 will be like this. On this both rods, this will be F1, this will be F1. In equilibrium condition, F1 will be 0, right? F1 will be 0 means what? F2 is equal to 2F1, right? So simple. So in equilibrium, F2 is equal to 2F1, I should take 10. What is your F1 comes out to be? F1 is equal to Y1 into strain 1 and F2 is equal to Y2 into strain 2. So can use this formula. That implies Y2 into strain 2. This is what strain 2. Two times of F1. This is what your F1. That is Y1 into strain 1. So this will be your strain 1. Just equal is both. On equating, you will get x. You will get x first. So x is coming out to be, just I am writing the formula directly. You just try to analyze it. Cancelling whatever the things you want to cancel, you can able to cancel it. What is your delta L2 alpha delta t? Actually I am writing here. Delta L1 is nothing but L1 alpha 1 delta t. Delta L2 is nothing but L2 alpha delta t. But here L1 L2 both are same, no. So just put this one here, put this one here, and I am solving. Finally you will get x is equal to 2y1 so x you will get this. Once you got x, you want to find L final. So what is your L final? Simply L final nothing but L plus x. This L plus x, right? So L plus, what you can do,